Hi everyone, so we are at Lalitha Mahal Palace Hotel for dinner and see how beautiful the dining hall is. It's a palace that's over 100 years old and we are
Guest house.
yeah, it was a guest house and we are here to have dinner from here. So I'll show you little more. Actually only for hotel room guest, most of the area is open, but yeah, whatever is visible I'll try to show. So we are at the Lalit Mahal Hotel. So the one that is shot, the one where KGF was shot. This is how it looks. His Highness, and this is the palace or a residence turned into a hotel. It's a banquet hall, but there's no light. It looks very fine. We are here for dinner. ചോദിച്ചോക്കാം. ഹായ്, ഗുഡ് ഈവനിങ്.
The phone is ringing.
We have to come like that? Oh, wait. Okay. Wait ചെയ്യാം.
We will come by the step. We will come by the elevator.
So this is the old lift, how it was. It says only for room guests, but we have asked to see a room, so they are showing us. So yeah, sofa in the Jackal lift. Have you seen a sofa in a lift before? Sofa in the lift.
Let's see. Let me see. The room.
Okay. Wow, it's nice. ഇത് നോക്കിയ മാഡം എന്നുള്ള view. അല്ല, another cake. Okay, you need to activate it. See the number of the room, 555. Oh, this is what room is it? Duplex. Oh, it's a big room. Duplex room. So this has two beds or one, like only one bed? Huh? Okay, two occupancy only. Okay. The bedroom is on top. Oh, very king size bed. Bathtub is there, Chakra. Yeah, room is nice actually. We booked in Windflower Resort, but now we came to know about this. Like, very nice. Next time we'll book. And what will be the rent for this around? Oh, see. 15,000. Okay. Got it. Yeah, there is sitting room and dining also. Yeah, dining, sitting, everything is there, and privacy for the bedroom. Huh? This is 333. So this is even bigger, I think. Oh my. Oh my. Viceroy, yeah, presidentship. It's like this is super huge room. Huh? This is the bedroom. Yeah. This is like a office room, and the water. Okay, but like, can this be used now? Ah. Oh, okay, only for sure. Very nice. No, but 35,000 and all is really. Yeah. That is still be 15 is still be okay. Very nice. Even. ഇങ്ങനെ നിന്നെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് നല്ലത്. You can sofa lift. No. He showed us the biggest room. Same normal. Yeah. Mysuru Maharaja. This side, huh?
Why this one?
Oh, this is. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. View is there. Chamundi Hillum, look up view and Chakka, you like it? The palace is also looking very nice in the light, no? Or car. KGF style. KGF. The palace, Lalitha Mahal palace. And the garden കൊണ്ട് എടുപ്പിക്കണ